If you want to land a client quickly, is a method I consider incredibly powerful. Let's talk about finding clients as a brand new virtual assistant. There are many ways to go about this, but what works best can vary over time. Today, we'll focus on methods that are effective right now to help you land your first client as a virtual assistant or remote worker. If you're new to this channel, my name is Chinyere, and on this channel, I talk about everything about earning or making money online, either through remote job, affiliate marketing, aka digital marketing. If this sounds like what you're looking for, please stick around, hit on the subscribe button if you've not, turn on your bell notification so that you're the first to know once I post content every day. Apparently, YouTube needs you to recommend this channel to the right people who are looking for content like this that I post. Now let's get started. If you're just stepping into the world of virtual assistants, one of the biggest challenge might be, how do you actually find a client? This is a very great question because everybody went through this phase, including myself when I started. While there are many paths that you can take, the best strategy I can tell you often depends on the current market trends and your own unique approach, because your approach to finding clients will be totally different from my approach. However, there are things that still remain constant for everybody. So stick around because the third method I'll be sharing with you is particularly very powerful and has helped countless of people to secure a job with ease. The first site we're going to start with is Upwork. This platform remains one of the best platforms for beginners, even though it might have its own challenges. Many clients specifically go to Upwork to find virtual assistants. The truth is there is a lot of competition, but trust me, the demand for virtual assistants is growing, making this field one of the promising industry for anyone to venture into. And Upwork a very good platform because it has a lot of promising futures. That being said, Upwork does require you to pay for a job, which is relatively very new. For some, this might be like a disadvantage, but there is a silver lining here. This pay to play model means fewer people are going to be competing for the same role that you're applying for. So because so many persons will want to get job for free, but because you're investing, you literally have few or less competition. This can actually work in your favor if you can commit to buy Connect. I highly recommend checking out tutorials of how to craft out your personal proposal, make your profile stand out, and so that even when you do buy Connect to apply for job, you stand a very high chance of getting it. Think of your Upwork profile as a stand store. It needs to grab attention. You need to showcase your skill in a way that will make clients want to work with you. Unlike Upwork, another platform I want us to look at is Fiverr. Fiverr doesn't charge you an upfront fee for you to apply for a job. Instead, it operates on a gig-based system where you create a package for your service. These packages could include tasks like data entry, image management, social media scheduling, or even specialized skills like graphic design or bookkeeping. Clients mostly use Fiverr to search for freelancers, compare offering, and either message you or hire you to work on these tasks for them. While Fiverr is beginner friendly for most persons, in many cases, some persons do not know how to use Fiverr, including me. So you must really learn how to use it. Building momentum would take time. Why? Because clients would prioritize freelancers they've worked with, freelancers who have reviews and proven track record. This means that as a new VA, you would need to work a bit harder to stand out on Fiverr. A great way to do this is to start by responding to project brief. These are specific job posting where clients outline their needs and Fiverr recommend freelancers who might be a good fit. By responding promptly and showcasing your skill, you increase your chance of landing your first gig on Fiverr. Again, I want you to keep at the back of your mind that patience and persistence are always key in all of this. But once you start building reviews, opportunity will literally start rolling in, and it works like that for everybody. Now, this is the third approach. If you want to land a client quickly, cold outreach is a method I consider incredibly powerful. If you want to land your clients quickly, this is the way to go. Cold outreach means reaching out directly to businesses or individuals who haven't explicitly posted jobs that could benefit from your service. And here is how this would work out for you. You identify potential clients who might need help with tasks you specialize in, maybe a local business that needs social media management, or maybe content writing, or an entrepreneur who is swamped with admin tasks and they need somebody who can help them. Then you send them a tailored email or message introducing yourself, highlighting your skills, share a sample of the work you have done or link to your portfolio. Don't make this mistake of sending them a message without linking what you have done, and invite them to chat with you or probably have like a meeting with you. The beauty of cold outreach is that it levels the playing level for you. Unlike platforms where clients see how long you've been freelancing and you have reviews, with cold outreach, they are not seeing any of that. Cold outreach focus entirely on the impression you make on the first day you reach out to them. Trust me, if your communication is professional and your sample is very strong, you stand a chance regardless of your experience level. What this means is, even as a new VA, you can literally use this approach. It is important to personalize your outreach message. Don't send generic message, please. Research the client, understand their need, and show that you can provide value for them. If you do this right, this is literally one of the easiest way for you to get job. As a new virtual assistant, I want you to keep at the back of your mind that finding clients will take a little bit of time, persistency, and the willingness for you to learn as you go. These three methods, Upwork, Fiverr, and cold outreach, each of them has its own unique advantage. It is worth for you to explore them to see which of them will work best for you. When I started, I felt like Upwork didn't really work for me. But after a year of being a virtual assistant, I started using Upwork and it started working. Most of what I did at my early beginning stage was using like cold message or cold outreach to clients. I also focused on social media platform like LinkedIn, just in case you want to try this. Like being very active on LinkedIn would also get you job. Although it's not part of the method that I listed here, but it is what for you to like really explore LinkedIn and be active on it. Comment strategically, connect with the right people you want to like have relationship with. All of this method I've shared with you is worth exploring to see which of them will work best for you. Let me know in the comments which of this method you're excited to try or you have already started trying. I would really love to hear from you and your experience so far in this industry. I'm open to answer any question that you might have. Please leave it in the comment section. If you're just starting your virtual assistant journey and you need guidance or you just want to take training on virtual assistants, I have my next cohort of virtual assistant training. The 45 days virtual assistant training starts January, and you want to register for that. With that training, you would have a coach who would hold you by your hands, like literally guide you in succeeding in this industry. Check out my video where I talked about how to become a virtual assistant in 2024. Remember to hit on the subscribe button if you have not. Turn on your bell notification so that you're the first to know once I put content on a daily basis. Please like, comment, and share this video. Literally, it helps YouTube to like push this content to the right people.